The cold hard truth is nobody is coming to help you. This woman here in Utah called the police 6 times in the 10 days prior to the time she was killed. Her boyfriend, well, ex-boyfriend, killed her. And that just happens all too often. And the point of this story is not to scare you about tragedy or make you angry about the fact that police didn't investigate properly or didn't respond in time or anything like that. It is to remind you again that nobody is coming to help you. You have to be able to help yourself. We here at the USCCA are here to ensure that you will be able to protect yourself, that you don't have to outsource your personal protection to some government agency. We want to provide you the education, the training, and if you need it, the legal protection to make sure that you survive a deadly force incident from start to finish. From before the incident to well after the legal proceedings are over, the USCCA wants to provide you that information that you can help with. But it's all up to you. You need to understand, again, no one is coming to help you. I can't say that enough. You need to help yourself. You need to become the defender and protector of yourself and your loved ones. Take that first step. Figure out how it is you want to defend yourself. If you're not comfortable using a firearm, fine. We can figure out different weapons that you can use. Or we can just help you with situational awareness, conflict avoidance to make sure that you're not involved in an incident like that. But honestly, this is up to you. Self-defense is very personal, and you need to take the first step when you want to figure out how to defend yourself. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. Please keep this conversation going. How can you help other people learn to become a defender and a protector? Comment down below. And if you like these videos, share them with all your friends. Share them with people who are on the fence about whether or not they need to learn about self-defense. And click that notifications bell right up in the corner. We'll notify you every time we come out with a new video.